circle rates in Gurugram, which have been unchanged for nearly a year, are likely to go up this year. But the good news is, you as a resident can decide whether the rates should be changed or not. Hi, I'm Neha Nagpal. Welcome to Property Matters. After consulting Tehsil officers, the district administration of Gurugram has proposed revised circle rates across the city. For the first time, the administration has invited suggestions and objections from residents and other stakeholders on the proposed circle rates. These circle rates have already been uploaded on its website.
सरकार ने हमारे जो नए कलेक्टर रेट बनाने जा रहे हैं हम, इसमें सरकार ने बड़ी पारदर्शिता दिखाई है कि जो रेटों में कोई फर्क ना रहे। इसके लिए सरकार ने एक अपनी चिट्ठी भेजी थी जिसमें ये कहा था कि हर तहसील लेवल पर एक कमेटी बनाई जाए जिसमें पब्लिक के आदमी भी हों और वो हर क्षेत्र में जाकर लोगों से बात करें कि वहाँ के कलेक्टर रेट क्या है। लोगों से विचार विमर्श करने उपरांत जो पिछले 12 महीने में जो सेल डीड हुई उनका फ्लो देखें, रेट बढ़े हैं या रेट घटे हैं। उनके आधार पर एक कमेटी बनाई जाए हर तहसील की। कमेटी उनको एक रेट देगी, प्रस्तावित रेट। जो प्रस्तावित रेट डीसी साहब के पास आएंगे और उनको हम अपना जो पोर्टल है डिस्ट्रिक्ट का वेबसाइट उस पर अपलोड करेंगे। तो हमने ये सारी प्रक्रिया 15 दिसंबर तक पूरी कर ली थी। डिस्ट्रिक्ट की अपनी वेबसाइट है, उस पर ये अपलोड कर दिए गए हैं।
The authorities have given residents and other stakeholders time till 15th of January to raise an objection. You as a resident can give your suggestions or raise an objection on www.jamabandi.nic.in.
www.jamabandi.nic.in पर कोई भी अपना ऑब्जेक्शन या सुझाव अपलोड कर सकता है और कहीं भी तहसील में, डिप्टी कमिश्नर ऑफिस में, डीआरओ ऑफिस में, किसी भी कार्यालय में अपना कोई भी सुझाव दे सकता है। उन सुझाव 15 जनवरी तक ये हम सुझाव या क्लेम स्वीकार करेंगे। 15 फरवरी के बाद ये सभी जो कलेक्टर रेट्स हैं जो यहाँ से फाइनल होने के बाद सरकार के पास जाएंगे। पहले कलेक्टर रेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर डिसाइड होते थे, लेकिन अब की बार ये सरकार के लेवल पर होंगे और मार्च 21 तक ये रेट फाइनल सरकार की तरफ से भी रेट फाइनल हो जाएंगे।
Once the process is completed at the state government level, the new circle rates will be implemented by 1st April 2021.
ये रेट जो 1 अप्रैल से लागू होने जा रहे हैं 22 के, ये 31 दिसंबर तक रहेंगे। इसके बाद जो अगले रेट बनेंगे वो रेट 1 जनवरी से लेकर 31 दिसंबर तक हुआ करेंगे।
Authority says the idea behind increasing circle rates is to work with efficiency and transparency.
एक पारदर्शिता के लिए सरकार इसको अपने लेवल पर करने जा रही है, जिससे हर आदमी का सुझाव लिया जाएगा, उनके क्लेम लिए जाएंगे, उन पर विचार किया जाएगा। यदि कहीं कोई त्रुटि दिखाई देगी तो उसको हम अपना शुद्ध भी कर लेंगे। कलेक्टर रेट होते हैं, ये प्रस्तावित रेट होते हैं, एक इन रेटों से कम पर कोई रजिस्ट्री नहीं हो सकती।
Government is always looking how they can raise the taxes. I won't say they have any ill intention in mind, but the government also needs money for infrastructure development. A lot of the developers, they haven't paid the EDC, IDC to the government. It runs into several thousand crores. So knowing that, yes, the properties are selling at a higher rate than the circle rate, so the government, it's very convenient that the circle rates are raised, so the taxation part, the stamp duty that has to be paid, because that cannot go below the circle rate. The government will be able to achieve a higher revenue. Certain people do take advantage of this and they register the properties at a lower rate so that they have to pay less stamp duty. So that thing will then go away since they will have to pay a slightly higher stamp duty. Talk about Gurgaon, there are very, very few properties which are actually selling at circle rate or let's say just close about, in that range itself. Circle rate is the minimum below which nobody can sell without attracting income tax. The market rates are typically higher than the circle rate.
While the circle rates in group housing societies are likely to increase by Rs 1,500 to 2,000 per square feet, for builder floors in licensed colonies or HSVP sectors are proposed from Rs 5,500 to 6,500 per square feet. In Patauti Tehsil, circle rates for residential and commercial areas in 61 villages are likely to go up by Rs 200 to 400 per square yard in residential areas. An upward revision has also been proposed in the entire Farooq Nagar Tehsil. But will it impact the sentiments of Gurugram real estate market? How will it impact the real estate buyer?
Circle rates is more of sentiments. The circle rates are being increased because the property markets, because the rates of the properties are actually, so it will actually sort of pull the people who are in a negative sentiment mode to come out and take before prices rise substantially.
In Maharashtra, though the government has increased the circle rates, they reduced the stamp duty from 5% to 2% last year in August. This was the win-win situation for consumers as well as for authorities looking for better revenues. Compliance and revenue goes up when taxes come down. But clearly, the Gurugram real estate market is going the other way, as they have not brought down any taxes yet. If you have any objection, act now. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, you can write to me on my Twitter. My Twitter handle is @Neha Nagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video as well. With cameraman Nitin Rajput, this is Neha Nagpal signing off. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.